and welcome to the Homeschool Plan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick DIY capo. So I've got one on my guitar right now. It is on the 3rd fret and it essentially makes the pitch raise in your guitar. So this is the pitch now with the capo. Alright, then without the capo it is lower. Okay, so what you're going to need is a short pencil that is just a little bit wider than the neck of your guitar. I'm going to put my pencil on the 4th fret because that is where I had my capo when I did my cover of Holding Out. This is what I used in that video. So, alright, so you're going to need several elastics. The more, the better. So you take your pencil, place it on the 4th fret. I like to have it a bit closer to the next fret, but not over it, otherwise that will change your pitch. So take your first elastic, slide it over the end, pull under the guitar, pull up, then wrap. So twist once, pull down, and place on the other side again. So again, only this time on the opposite side, place your rubber band on the pencil, pull under the guitar, pull up, twist, and then replace on the opposite side. You're going to want to do this many times because as you can see with only 2 rubber bands, it does not get the clear sound that you want. So again, place rubber band on pencil, pull under the guitar, over pencil on the other side, twist, and pull back around. That sounds clear. Now this is the sound that you want. Okay, I'm going to do this again with the rest, with a few more rubber bands, just to make sure that it stays tight enough that it will not move. So it moves a little bit, but you want to make sure that all the strings are pressed tightly down against the fret. So, alright, 2 more elastics, then I'm going to call it good. It is a bit more time consuming than just simply clasping a capo onto your guitar. But if you do not have a capo, this is a good cheap alternative to one that probably costs maybe like $5. Because a good capo will cost around $20. Okay, then how to remove your DIY capo. So just start taking the elastics and just start pulling them off one end. It seems like it's just, you literally just take the elastics and pull them off the guitar, pull them off the pencil, and it just comes right off. So there are a few grooves on the pencil, so if you want to, don't use a really nice pencil, use like, this is an old colored pencil that, like, it's still usable, but it just isn't, but it's just not one you really care about. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other tips and tricks I have picked up that you would like to know. Be sure to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you!